Oh, hey.
How's it going?
What's up, everyone? It's your least favorite moist boy and Ben. Ben, what are we doing today?
We're gonna conquer this SR20.
Yeah, we are.
Yeah.
We're gonna try pretty hard.
Sideways.
Yes. We've already been trying pretty hard.
Yeah.
We cleaned the deck surface. Got the Tomei here. Got the head back from the machine shop. So,
Yeah.
we're gonna mess around for a little bit and then we'll pick up the camera again.
Sounds really fun.
Might drop the head on right now.
Yeah.
Who knows?
With their eyes closed.
Yeah.
Backwards.
Maybe we won't even line it up. We'll just chuck it. Hope
Yeah.
for the best.
Sounds pretty good.
Okay, Ben.
Alright.
Sorry we didn't film it, but the Tomei head gasket is in. Ben and I just dropped the head on. It's kind of fucked by ourselves, just the two of us. Trying to fish the chain out.
That's fun.
But we're gonna put the head studs in. We'll film doing that. We'll film torquing those down. And then cams, and then find out if we fixed it.
Yeah.
Fuck, man.
Hopefully. Sure it'll be fun.
Head studs are in. We gotta torque them down now.
We got 3 even sections. 30, 60, and 90.
Dan, how are you feeling about this head gasket replacement? Is it gonna run after?
I think it's going really good.
You
My
think so?
expectations are at the utmost opportunity.
Mine are pretty fucking low, dude. I don't know.
That's also good though, because then if something bad goes wrong, then it's like...
It's like I expected it?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Alright, so Ben's just gonna torque down the first few to 30 and then we'll check back in when everything's fully torqued. Look at Buddy's fucking setup.
Yeah.
The snatch on. What did that set you back, Ben?
I don't want to talk about that.
Dave, sorry we're not filming too much. Adam decided to go to fucking... Where did you even go again?
We went to like Banff or something.
Buddy went to fucking Jasper or Banff or some shit. Somewhere where there's snow and bears.
The Great White North.
Yeah.
And he skis.
He fucking doesn't even snowboard, he skis.
Yeah. Psh.
You
He
snowboard,
needs pole. I snowboard.
You sure?
Yeah.
Good.
He has those poles to keep him stable.
Yeah, he's got the fucking poles, man.
He goes down the slopes like this to stabilize himself.
You got the moves, man. Man. Okay, so I don't even know what the fuck's going on. Just gonna apologize. I haven't filmed much, but that's because this shit's kind of fucked.
It's a little scary.
It's a little bit frightening. It's a little bit daunting. A little bit intimidating.
Yeah.
First time. Hopefully the deck was clean enough.
It's good.
Hopefully the gasket seated properly. Hopefully there's enough silicone in between the head.
Yeah.
Sometimes, man, I don't even know.
That's
But
all behind us now.
it's in the past.
Yeah.
If it doesn't work, worst thing we gotta do is do it again.
Yeah. What's the worst that can happen?
Check this out. Brought Ben a little present today. Cup holders.
Even the package is cool.
Look at that, man. Give the viewers a little read of what that says.
Cup holder. Keeps your moose milk from tipping on the skids.
Hell yeah, brother.
Who wants that?
No one
It's
wants to tip your moose milk on the skids. I'll
It's
tell
like
you that.
the Canadian version of like Takumi with the noodle cup with some water in it. You need to keep the moose milk from spilling.
But in Canada, it's moose milk.
Yeah. This cup holder clips right into your AC vents. Now you can rail speed bumps at full speed and slam gears without worry.
Hell yeah.
Nice.
Well, right on. Yeah, so these are dropping when the light stickers drop. We got the official packaging made the other day. We're picking up clothing too.
Whoa.
Crazy, man.
This would be sweet.
There's some pretty sick designs. What are we gonna do now, Ben? Are we gonna go?
don't
We're
know.
gonna slam a bubbly or what?
Oh, that sounds good.
All right, let's
Do you
go
want to see
slap.
really ugly wheels first?
Yeah.
Look at these.
So these are the wheels we almost lost Ben to. Ben almost left us. We were preparing the funeral. We had the grave. Yeah. What were these for, Ben? Give us a rundown.
They were for the Skyline. They're cool, kind of, because they're OG bronze. So they're like the anodized lips. But I put them on a car and like, I feel like,
Just what do you do?
I felt dirty.
Yeah.
Just like,
Even like it's the kind of dirt that like even after you shower you still feel the dirt.
yeah, the bugaboos.
It's on the inside.
Yeah, yeah. The emotional dirt.
Yeah. Anyways, these sold. Those sold really quick.
Yeah.
A little waffle action. We allowed to say that on the interwebs.
Yeah.
Shout out to our sponsor, Buble.
Bubbly.
Fire, dude. Give it a fucking bubbly liveries coming soon.
Install.
Cup holder install coming soon to the website.
See how easy this is gonna be?
Crazy install, man.
You just jam it on?
Just jam her in, man. All the way in.
Thanks. Looks really cool.
Alright. Okay, we're still taking a break because we're both pretty over it, but when we come back, we barely have shit to do. The shims and lifters and rockers got to go back in. And then cam caps, chain before that. There isn't that much shit, but we also have to drain all the fluids.
Oh yeah.
Because the oil's definitely cocked in this thing, dude. We didn't unbox this. Ben and I kind of just slapped it in real quick, but scope this, man. Only reason the boys wanted it. Fucking fresh Tomei sticker for my dash, bro.
Let's put that right on the hood.
Yeah, this is sick. Put it on a valve cover, let them know.
Yeah. He's sweet. The engine specialist.
Yeah, dude. That's the boys right now.
Nice. Good thing we read this.
100%.
Uh-oh.
What is it gonna say? It's all in JDM, man. We're letting the lifters bleed real quick. We're gonna sandblast thermostat housing or whatever the cock this one's called.
Make it look real nice.
Yeah, make them look nice and clean. They're pretty dirty. And yeah.
That'd be cool.
Right on. Doing good mods.
Nice.
Yes.
Excited?
I don't know, I'm still scared, man. Looks cool though.
That's okay.
I don't even know what we filmed, man. It's so like put together. Yeah, worst case Ontario, it doesn't work. We'll just slap in an OEM head gasket.
Yeah.
With like a whole can of copper spray on it. Yes!
What's going on, eh?
Okay, well we'll check back in. I don't know how much more we're gonna get done today, but it'll all be one video. Nearing the final stages, Ben.
Yeah.
I'm gonna show you a little trick. Okay, so what we did is when we pulled the cams out in the first place, we didn't unbolt the sprocket. And you can see from the inside of the dot, there's 20 pins across. We have this tool from Mazworks here that will show you. We're bang on the money. Crazy, man.
Oh yeah. Crazy. Camshafting.
Ben, how long have we been at this?
I think it's been like 4 hours.
It's not that bad.
Yeah.
We sandblasted the housings. Now it just looks way cleaner than the rest of the engine. There's a new OEM thermostat we put in. And now we're just bolting down the camshafts. I think we already did an update on that, but I can't remember. I'm 2 bubblies in, man. I don't even know what's going on there. Pouring the yeast out of the valve cover. We got everything. We got everything all bolted in. New tensioner, new thermostat. Got to do the water pump still. The cams are all there. Properly timed. There's a lot of slack right here. The tensioner still hasn't released yet, so maybe that'll be better. We're gonna call it today. Lay the valve cover on here so nothing gets inside, and figure it out a different day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Really nice.
Okay. It's complete.
The manifold delete.
That rhymes, man. That was sick.
Whoa. Yeah, that was good.
Complete.
I was gonna say
delete. Crazy, man. Okay, so we're done for now.
That was a good day's progress because you don't want to push yourself to the extreme.
You don't want to rush it.
Yeah. Good things take time. Rome wasn't built in a day.
Exactly. That's
Yeah.
what they say, isn't it?
Yeah.
So I guess, yeah, we gotta bolt up the intake and the manifold, drain all the fluids, and then we gotta
Just do some cool stuff.
yeah. Hopefully it works.
Yeah. You can finally have an engine in this car that the first one was blown, the second one didn't run that good, and this one blew up. So hopefully the fourth time's the charm.
Hopefully. Fuck. Just my luck. Look at this though. That's how you know we're doing something right.
It is correct.
It is center. So something might be going on under there that's accurate. I don't know. Hopefully the Tomei seals.
I think it will. If it doesn't, it's Tomei's fault.
Yeah. You have a question for the people?
Ooh. If you had to eat or drink any automotive product, what would it be?
Man, I'm sending that assembly lube. That shit looked good.
It did look good, like green applesauce.
Yeah.
It was pretty good.
Is that your choice too?
I don't know. Probably coolant, because it's a little
Don't
sweet.
you die though?
You have to have the right amount.
Oh.
Yeah.
Little flavors.
Yeah.
Crazy
Secret.
All right. Well, like, share, subscribe.
Yeah.
We'll see you in the next one when Adam's back.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Hopefully he comes back. If he didn't,
Maybe he's
like,
dead.
yeah.
Maybe there's a fucking avalanche or some shit. Okay, you crazy crazies. We'll see you next time.